Hey, I'm Flo. I'm from Germany. I'm studying international business in Regensburg. I feel amazing about here. Actually, this environment here in this company is perfect for learning. My learning curve, when it shot up exponentially. It's amazing. I can work here in the sun. I feel like I'm way more productive. Also because we have time together in the lunch break, we eat together, and we don't work like the normal 9 to 5 hours, and that feels really motivating because also in the morning you can just do your own shit. You can do your own stuff, you can go surfing, you can do sports, you can do whatever you want to. I really love that, and I learned so much here. I didn't learn about what I thought I would learn. I learned so much more. And I feel like this brought me so far in business in general, this internship. But you really have to want to put in effort if you're here. I didn't know how to use AI, so I just asked Claude. So now I know how to use AI. Thank you, Claude. Shoutouts Anthropic. I'm really happy because here are a lot of people that know their stuff. We have people that are really skilled and can help you basically in anything. We got an amazing media team, and they teach us how to make the right picture with the rule of thirds. We also use amazing AI tools and creative tools to create that media. You can even get more knowledge in sales. We had really good sales guys who taught us the basics of that, but also it's really interesting to go into different topics I'm not that experienced in. For example, with our engineers or biologists that had really insightful knowledge that brought me further in parts of business that I didn't even know that are possible. So the main skills I learned are with using AI. But with AI, I don't mean just using ChatGPT. There are so much more AI tools that nobody really knows about. If I talk with people in Germany about that stuff, they say, oh, did you hear about Claude? But that's just the first level. And I got to a level of AI where now I can even read a little bit of code and can code my own things with AI together. But also, I improved my skill to work alone, because here you can actually start your own projects, work on them, fully develop a business idea, and then have an own business model. You can have a marketing agency. You can create that here because you have the possibilities and the tools. My working environment is amazing, really fucking amazing. I couldn't imagine better. You have so many possibilities, for real. We have a shared office. Everybody sits in there. You can you can communicate with every department really quickly, quick decision making, but you can also sit outside, enjoy the sun and enjoy the fresh air, work on your laptop, or you could work in the pool. You can take your laptop, work in the pool. Bro, where in the world can you do that other than next venture? So I think Bali is actually amazing. It's my favorite place I lived at. Here in Canggu, it's amazing for working. You meet like-minded people that want to start a business or that work online, people that are really interested into sports. The gyms here are amazing. You have everything in the gym. A nice training place. You have sauna recovery area. In my gym, even boxing. You have amazing food options. But my favorite thing is driving with the scooter around. Even if the traffic is sometimes crazy, bro, it feels like real-life Mario Kart. So originally I was really interested into marketing, but now in the few months here at X-Venture, I learned so much about AI automation. So I want to help other people to understand AI automation, or even help them set it up and use that skill as my advantage in business. If you can start your own projects, you can work on your own, and are really motivated to work on some interesting stuff, then X-Venture is perfect. Like, you still get a lot of help and support from everybody else, but you have to put in your own effort to excel here in this company. And if you can do that, this is like one of the best internships I could recommend.